Hi, everybody, it's me, Orange. Welcome to Subway Surfers. Welcome to Subway Surfers. First time. Oh, wow. What do we do now? It's downloading. What do we do? Just goes me. Uh-oh. Who are you? Leave me alone. I'm just a fruit. Leave me alone. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Oh wow. Ow. 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 Let's see what my score is. Do I even? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a big score. Boop. I can do it. Oh, yeah. What was that shiny thing? Whatever. Oh, crap. I can do it. Oh, no, there's a car right there. Where's that car? Train, I meant. Yeah. Oh, good news. Whoa. Ow. I hit it. Oh, no. Bad. That's a big score, though. Ow. Hope it isn't low. Oh, 403. That's good. But not good enough. Yeah. Oh. It's like it moves. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Alright. Subway Surfers. I'm it. These are cool. I like shoes. Ow! I hit the screen. Ah, that's a huge score. Leave me alone. And Orange is trying to have some privacy. Ow! That hurt. I don't want to watch stupid ads. I only collected 15 coins. I need to collect more. Ow! Ow! I almost hit that. I'm doing amazing so far. Ah, what's this? Wow, this is so cool! Oh, I landed right on a thingy. Ah. Come to Papa! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Ow! What is that? 3,479 is my score. That's amazing. And I collected 106 coins. That's amazing. For an orange. Whoop. Whoop. Wow! I think I'm gonna beat this level. Ow! Come on, come on, come on. What's my score? 2,312 and 84 coins. Aww. It's not enough coins. I need a lot more coins. Why is there barely any coins? Oh, there's a campfire. I don't want to get that. Yeah! Because it's fire. Ow! Hey, leave me alone. An orange trying to have some privacy. A privacy to himself. Yeah! Oh. I know this game is for humans to play, but I'm an orange. So guys, I guess that'll be it for today's video. Peace out, broskies.